Hey, it's Ecom Rebel, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get an opt-in for your website. So let's say you want to capture email and a name, and you've got some sort of offer or some product that you're giving away, and you want people to sign up and then to get your offer, and then you want to be able to email them afterwards and introduce them to some of the other products. So something simple like an opt-in page is what is something you would need. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm in the we're in the dashboard now of Builderall, and we've went into drag and drop Pixel Perfect, and we've had a look. We want to click on new website, and then we've got all the different categories. So we go on to, let's say, internet marketing, and then we click on opt-in, and we've got all these templates here. Now let's have a quick look at this template. Let's have a look at number 12. So email opt-in 12. You can click on view, and that will open up the template and actually show you what it looks like. So we're looking at this one here. We've got a little video we can do. We put the name. Yes, I'm interested in this. Great. So we like that one. So we just go back, and then we just click on edit, and that will actually open up the layout so that we can make the changes to the page that we want to do. Okay. So let's say the first thing we want to do is change the text to maybe some video. So what we'll do is, let's say we get a video here. That's what I've done before. We'll just get the share. Let's copy that. Let's go back to the editor. All right, so let's have a look. So let's say we want to change this video here. We just right click and we go configure. And then we can just change that, just type that in and click confirm. Okay, so that will then load that video in there. Now, all we need to do is, if you want to change the headline, you can just double click, and that will change it to a, you can see how the toolbars come up. So let's say we want to rub this part out. We'll just delete that. You know how to get passive income. All right, so let's say we choose our headline. You can change it, any of these things, just by clicking on them. And then we've got to change this part here. This is your first name and email. So what we can do is, if you right click and then click configure, at the moment it'll just come up with these two options here. But first of all, we need to save it. So if we go save and wait for it to load, and just call it test 3. And we click send. Now once it's saved, oh, we already have that one. Let's do test 4. So once it's saved, we just click on save again. Okay, so what we're going to do, this one here, this is a form, so it can send an email directly to you, but we want to do an opt-in. So what we do is right click, let's delete that one, and let's choose a new one. Click plus, and we're going to choose an add email form. Okay, so let's say we like this one here. We click that, close that window, and we just drop that in there. Let's say we don't want that. We delete that one out. Right click, delete. All right, so let's say we want to use that one. We're happy with that. Okay, so then we right click and we go configure. And that's when we can select, for example, mailing boss, which is the default one. And you'll hook that up to a list that you already create, okay? So we won't go into that now, but basically you'll hook that up, and this is ready to go. And then if you want to preview it, you just make sure you click save, but you can click the preview button. Looking at the preview window, and you can see we've got a video, and they can watch the video. You can also make that auto start if you want to. And then if they watch the video and they're interested, they can then type the details in, press the button, and then you can get that redirected to anywhere. You can get it sent to another page within inside here, or you can send it to a completely different page as well. So that's just a quick overview of how to do a quick opt-in. And literally there is a whole bunch of templates that you can see. All these templates are available, and they're very professional. They've been professionally done. They look fantastic, and all you need to do is just change out the elements and change out the text, and then you can use any of those. And yeah, so And not only that, you can create your own if you want to do that as well. But I recommend just getting started with a simple opt-in, and then you'll be able, the next page maybe is where they can download their information, or maybe send it via email that they can download it, whatever they're requesting. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions and you want to ask, just put it in the comments below and I'll be too happy to help you out. Okay, no worries. Talk to you then. Bye.